Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we got a white noise machine. So this makes white noise. Good for nurseries, good for bathrooms, or if you are the kind of person that needs something to sleep, this can provide you with sound to sleep. They have the user manual in there. Power cable is here, so it is a USB power cable. You will need a USB plug. They don't provide you with the outlet. But you can plug this into any USB port, even a power bank. So just plugs right in like this, and we're going to go ahead directly plug this in. All right, so on the top here you have an indicator light. I don't know if you guys are going to see that, but it illuminates. So down here you have your different modes and power. So let's press and hold it. So that's a fan. You can adjust how loud it is. Oh, I get it. Okay, guys. So I'm turning this off. So once you select your mode on here, you press the arrow, this one right here, to select a different type of mode. Once you're on that mode, you press the next one and you can actually go through different sounds that's related. So let me show you guys. Press and hold the power. This is a fan, but if you press this, so guys, that is all the sounds that this has. It's actually pretty cool. I got a really good idea with this. I wish it had, so hey, if the manufacturer happens to watch this video, what you guys should do is you should add, because this would really enhance this. This is good, I like this a lot, but if the manufacturer would put LED lights around that illuminate, you know, or you can change the color, so like RGB lights, that would make this stand out above all the rest and really just make this stand out. Hit me up if the manufacturer ever sees this video and wants me to review when they update it, because that would be pretty awesome in my opinion. It's really nice now as is, but I'm a guy that loves RGB and the colored LED lights and stuff. So overall, guys, how it is great. I got some cool ideas with this that I'm going to use it for.